Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm back with another video for you. Today I'll be using the new Whimsy stamp, Slimline Scribbles background stamp, the Slimline Cornered Rectangle Dies, and the Cutie Alphabet Die. So let's get started. I cut an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper in half. Then I prep it with my embossing powder bag because I'm going to heat emboss the background. Then I cover my stamp with white pigment ink. I find that it helps give the white embossing powder a much cleaner look once it's heat embossed. I make sure to cover my stamp really good since it's such a large stamp. Then I take a piece of cardstock and place it gently over the stamp. Make sure to press down firmly on the paper to ensure the whole paper gets covered. If you have a flat item to rub on the paper, that definitely helps. I'm using a computer screen cleaner that I had in the house. It works perfect for rubbing on stamps, so check your house. Maybe you have a tool you could use as well. I covered the entire paper with white embossing powder, and when my heat tool is good and hot, I heat emboss the image. Since this is such a big paper and you're heat embossing white on white, it's best to work in sections so you don't miss any spots on the paper. Next, I'm going to color my background with Distress Oxide Tumbled Glass ink. I decided to use my blending brush for the background. I tend to like my blending brushes more than my blending tools when I have to cover a large area. I start by blending off of the paper and I work my way onto the paper, making circular motions. By starting off of the paper, it helps to prevent getting too much ink in one spot. And I continue to blend the background until I have the desired color that I want. Then I wipe the background with a cloth to take off any ink that is on the white embossed areas so the pattern stands out more. I die cut a piece of white cardstock with the largest cornered rectangle die, and then I die cut the embossed paper with the second largest die. So when you put them on top of each other, the blue embossed paper is smaller, leaving a white border. I die cut the word hello from the Cutie Alphabet die with silver metallic cardstock. I glue the blue embossed paper to the top of the white rectangle. I decided to cut the next smallest rectangle to put on top of the blue embossed background paper, and I added foam tape to give it dimension. Now in this video I kept this rectangle as a plain white background, but after I made the card I thought the white background needed some kind of texture to it. So if you wanted to use an embossing folder or texture paste with stencils or something like that, it would really add to the look of the card, so I just thought I would mention that. Now, I didn't show it in the video, but I stamped out the bunny from the Sending Sunshine stamp set and some flowers from the Fadoodles Flowers stamp set, and I colored them in off screen to save some time since I didn't do anything special with the coloring. Also, I'm really sorry about the video getting a little blurry. Something happened to my camera while I was videotaping towards the end and I didn't realize it, so I do apologize for that. Okay, so moving on, I put foam tape on the back of the bunny and all the flowers, and I adhered them to the card. Then I glued the word hello to the front of the card, and I stamped the word sunshine in black ink under the word hello. I glued colored gems in the middle of all the flowers, and to finish the card, I adhered some pink pearls to the front of it. That completes my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for the entire new release. Thanks and have yourself a wonderful day.